Welcome to day 4 of our 31 days journey to financial independence. For the next 31 days, I'll be sharing each day one lucrative business that will bring you closer to financial independence. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, and this is the first time you're coming across this channel, you are welcome. Please smash the subscribe button and follow us. This is day 4. You can go and watch day 1, day 2, and day 3. Today, one lucrative business you can go to is the sale of ready-to-wear corporate wear for middle-class citizens. The sales of ready-to-wear corporate attires for middle-class citizens. Okay, there are a lot of persons that's into ready-to-wear boo, ready-to-wear this, ready-to-wear trousers, ready-to-wear two-piece and all of that. But for this video, we are concentrating on corporates. We have a lot of 9 to 5ers, okay, that do not have 200,000, 300,000 to get a gown, to get a two-piece skirt and blouse, a two-piece up and the trouser. That is where you come in. You must not know how to sew. You must not know how to handle the thread. In 2026, smart work is what we are doing, not the unnecessary hard work, right? All you have to do, your first assignment, is to look out for a good designer or a good tailor that can sew all these corporate wears that people take to offices, right? 9 to 5ers wear, gown, two-piece, and all of that. If you can find someone or two that can do the job, the first 50% of the job is already done. The next thing is to build a voice. The next thing is to build the voice. And how do you build the voice? Use social media. Create a social media platform. Advertise this goods. First of all, you can even go to Pinterest, get some nice styles, give to these tailors to sew for you. You can wear them. You can also give us a process of how the materials are sourced, how it's been measured, how it's been sold. You want to show the person's face. Show us, just give us the details of how everything is done. Then get a model to model it. If you have a very good shape, you can also model those clothes, right? Build a social media platform. Educate us on different fabrics. Educate us on why it is important to be careful when you're using so material in sewing. Why you should use so material instead of so material for so style, right? Just make us feel that you are an authority in that field. Start selling this product. Okay. Now you now own a brand. You don't own a machine of your own. You're not paying a tailor. All you have to do is when you have contract, you have people that want to buy, get the styles, go to these tailors, they give you the exact style you're looking for. Then you pack it, get your brand name, and you send it. This business is one thing you can do as a side hustle. You can also do as a full hustle, right? You can be doing your 9 to 5, you're running this errand around, right? You're going to make a lot of money. And it's a brand that you can build, create employment, and it can even last to generations to come if you're ready to put in the work. Like I said, you must not know how to sew, right? You must not know how to sew. You can even decide to focus on female attire, male attire, children wears, anyone you want to go into. Just make sure you do your proper due diligence, do your proper work. You're going to make a lot of money out of it. So if this business sounds like what you would like to try, please drop it in the comment section. We are in our 31 days journey to financial independence. So if you have any business idea you wish I should do a video on, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to see you all. Thank you. And before I go, are you subscribed? If you like this video and you watch up to this point and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? My go-getters, please smash that subscribe button, turn on notification, share this business, this series to your family and friends. You don't know who this video can be of help to. I'm going to see you all. I love you. Bye.